quick analysis regarding 11 and 14. Okay, Miss A, let's go ahead and read this one. 11. Thank you.
Number 11?
Yes.
Equal to
Secant.
secant. That's pi over 4. That's plus 1.
And what do we need to find?
Find a period and a horizontal shift.
Thank you. All right, so there we go. We're going to find the following, right? Period and horizontal shift. Right? So in here, to get the period, what we're going to do? Do we need A, B, C, or D? B. There we go. Right? So in here, as we may notice in here, this is your A, that's your B, that is your C, and your D is what? 0. Right? So we're concentrating on that B and using our triangle. Right? Here we go. Once again, 2 pi in here, B and P. Right? So to get the period, what is that? 2 pi over pi over 4. Very good. Cancel the pi's. Very good. Maria, finish that. What's the period? 8. 8. Very good. Thank you. Okay. Next one. Horizontal shift. How much did it move and to what direction? That's plus 1, right? So, sign change, that means to the left. 1 unit to the left, right? So, that's seen here. There we go. That means what? Move left. Yep. 1 unit. Okay. Oops. Get it, guys? Alright. Well, it's not being asked in here, but what do you think is the significance of that 2? Number 2. Amaya? Oh, what do you think? That 2. The stretch factor, right? Very good. So that's the stretch factor. And B, midline. So that means just starting at the x-axis. Are we good? Right? So let's try to see how this one looks like, right? 2 secant pi 4 x plus 1. Okay, put in here. 2 secant. Oops, there we go. Pi over 4 x plus 1. Okay, guys. Alright, so it says in here, here it is. So as you may notice, from the y-axis, it went 1 unit to the left, right? Good. So this is the typical y is equal to what? Secant x, right? So let's see what the difference is. The blue is a typical secant x. It moved 1 unit to the left. Get it? Okay. What else? From 1, it doubled its gap. Good? That's the stretch factor. Get it? Okay. Now, what else? Still the same. It didn't move up nor down, right? Where's the period? It says what? Period is 8, right? So if we remove this one and put our x-axis from where to where? Period is 8, right? So that's 0 to 8 typically. However, since you moved left 1 unit, right? So we're going to put in here what? Minus 1, 8 minus 1 as well. Are we good? Right? So as you may notice, that is 1 period for our secant, right? So that's this, and that is 1 period for secant, right? As you may notice, we said a while ago, you typically start from 0 to the period, right? But since you move to the left 1 unit, so less 1, less 1. Are we good? Right? What else do we need in here? Vertical asymptotes. Where do you think are the vertical asymptotes in here? Ah.
X equals 1.
X equals 1. Thank you. All right. What else? X equals what? 5. Got it, guys. All right. Any questions regarding that one for our secant and how to consider its key features, right? So once again, the key features are as follows in here. The vertical asymptotes, the gap is the stretch factor. In that case, it's 2, right? Okay. The +1, we move to the left, 1 unit. The pi over 4, right, made us the period what? 8. Get it, guys? Any questions regarding that? Yeah. Right. Thank you.